I want to share the most important lesson I've learned in my entire career when it comes to building a team. Whissel Realty has been ranked the #1 real estate team in San Diego County 3 years in a row now, per the Wall Street Journal. I want to give you a behind-the-scenes look at the way we do things around here to help our agents make more money in less time and have a good time doing it. Welcome to the Whissel Way. Hey guys, it's Kyle with the Whissel Realty team, and today I'm going to share with you the most important lesson I've ever learned when it comes to building a team in the real estate industry. When I started out, I bought a bunch of computers, I leased up some office space, and bought a bunch of desks, and I had all this space, and I freaked out and just said, you know what, I've just got to fill up this space. And I hired anybody and everybody to fill that space up. I had people that were 18 years old, I had people that were 118 years old. And I learned very quickly about culture. I had such conflicting personalities and styles and tech savviness and all these things that having this wide range of different people on our team really did more harm than it did good. That first year when I launched the Whissel Realty team, I lost over $100,000 because I had all the wrong people. When I finally learned about culture and the importance of having the right people in the right places, we launched our business from 82 transactions to 242 transactions. So when you're looking to bring people onto your real estate team, it's really, really important that you build an avatar or build a persona of who the person is that's going to be a fit for your team, and hire people that fit within that avatar. You don't want to hire people out here and out here because it's trying to fit square pegs into round holes. So understand what your culture is, and if you don't understand your culture, that's where you need to start. Figure out what your culture is, figure out who you are before you even hire anybody else on. I see a lot of people making the mistake of just bringing in 1 million people really quickly, have no idea what the hell they're doing, they don't know what the culture of their business is. So figure out your culture first, and then when you're interviewing people, when you're recruiting people, hire and recruit to that culture. That is hands down the most important I've ever learned when it comes to building a team here in the real estate industry. If you have any questions about building your team, feel free, call me, text me, Kyle Whissel, 858-699-3895. Thanks for watching.